Our children's world is digital. It's a landscape vastly different from the one we grew up in, a world where screens are ubiquitous and connectivity is constant. Learning, playing, and socializing all happen on screens. It's where they discover new things, connect with friends, and express themselves creatively. Tablets and phones are their playgrounds, their classrooms, and their social hubs, all rolled into one sleek device, filled with games, videos, and endless ways to explore. The possibilities seem limitless, a constant stream of information and entertainment at their fingertips. My daughter builds entire worlds with a swipe, crafting intricate stories and characters with just a few taps, something I never imagined with wooden blocks. The scale and scope of their digital creations are truly astounding. But this playground is different. It's not the same as the physical spaces we knew as children. It watches, remembers, and collects. Every action, every interaction is recorded and analyzed. Every click, every message, every video they watch contributes to a growing database. Leaves a digital footprint, a trail of breadcrumbs that follows them wherever they go online. These footprints don't fade. They are permanent records etched into the digital landscape. They're stored, building a profile of your child, a detailed portrait of their interests, habits, and preferences. Most of us don't realize how much is being tracked, how much data is being gathered about our children's online activities. While our kids play and learn, a silent observer is constantly collecting information. We want them to benefit from technology, to harness its power for education and growth. But we also want to protect them from the potential risks and harms that lurk in the digital shadows. The idea of companies knowing so much about our kids is unsettling, raising questions about privacy and security. Who sees this information? Who has access to these detailed profiles of our children? What will they do with it? How will this data be used? And what are the potential consequences? Are they targeting ads? Are they subtly influencing our children's choices and desires? Building profiles that last into adulthood? Creating a digital dossier that follows them throughout their lives? These are real worries for modern parents. Anxieties that stem from navigating this uncharted digital territory. But we're not powerless. We have agency, and we can take steps to protect our children. There are rules and rights in place, designed to safeguard our children's privacy and well-being online, that let us step in and protect our children's privacy, ensuring they have a safe and positive online experience. We can ask questions, demand answers, holding companies accountable for how they collect and use our children's data, and set boundaries, establishing clear guidelines for device usage and online behavior. With a little knowledge, with a commitment to staying informed, we can navigate this complex landscape. We can be the gatekeepers of our kids' digital lives, guiding them towards safe and enriching online experiences. We can teach them to play safely in this new world, empowering them to make informed choices and protect their own privacy. It's about making sure their journey is both fun and secure, fostering a healthy relationship with technology. The digital playground is here to stay, an integral part of our children's lives. Let's make sure our kids are safe while they explore it, equipping them with the knowledge and skills they need to thrive in this digital age. Data isn't just numbers, it's your child's story online. It's their name, age, and email, but also what they watch, play, and click. Every video, every game level, every search adds to their digital footprint. Even technical details like location or device type are collected, often without you knowing. All these pieces form a detailed picture of your child's habits and interests. This data can be used for ads, tracking progress, or even building profiles that last for years. It's a permanent record, often stored by companies you've never heard of. Understanding what data is and how it's collected is the first step to protecting your child. It's not just about privacy, it's about their future. The more you know, the more control you have. Take charge of your child's digital footprint. You have the right to know. It's a fundamental right that empowers you to protect your children in the digital age. What data companies and schools collect about your child? This includes browsing history, search queries, and even location data. Laws like COPPA require companies to get your permission. This is especially important for younger children. Before collecting most data from kids under 13, they must obtain verifiable parental consent. You can ask for a copy of your child's data. Don't be afraid to exercise this right. This isn't a favor, it's your legal right. Companies are obligated to provide this information to you. If you're uncomfortable, you can demand that data be deleted. You have the power to remove their digital footprint. For schools, FERPA gives you similar rights. It protects the privacy of student education records, to review and correct educational records, ensure accuracy and address any concerns promptly. These laws put you in control of your child's digital identity. You are not powerless in this situation. Kids don't always understand what they're agreeing to. The implications of these agreements can be far-reaching. So you're their digital guardian. It's your responsibility to guide them safely. Knowing your rights is like having a safety net. It provides security and peace of mind. Use them to keep your child's information safe. Be proactive in protecting their privacy. Don't hesitate to act if something feels off. Trust your instincts and take appropriate action. The power to see and erase is yours. Embrace it and use it wisely. Protect your child's digital future. Ensure they have a safe and positive online experience. When a new app or game pops up and it starts asking for personal information like location, contacts, or even camera access, that's definitely your cue to get involved and take a closer look. It's time to understand what's going on. Don't hesitate to ask the school or the company behind the app about exactly what data they collect from your child and, more importantly, how that data is being used. Take the time to carefully review those often overlooked privacy policies. Ask specific questions about whether your child's data is shared with third parties or used for targeted advertising. If your child decides to stop using a particular app, maybe they've lost interest or found something better, make sure to request the complete deletion of their account and all associated data from the company's servers. If you happen to discover any location tracking features that you didn't explicitly agree to, demand that it be stopped immediately and insist on the deletion of any previously collected location data. Every now and then, it's a good idea to do a comprehensive privacy checkup. Start by creating a list of all the apps your child is actively using, and then carefully review the data practices of each one. Don't hesitate to contact the companies directly to inquire about what specific information they are currently holding about your child. It might take a bit of effort and time to gather all this information, but it will ultimately give you a much clearer picture of your child's overall digital life and online activities. Carefully weigh the benefits of each service against the potential privacy trade-offs involved. Your proactive intervention can effectively prevent potential problems and privacy breaches before they even have a chance to start. Don't simply wait for something to go wrong. Instead, take a proactive approach to your child's online safety. Your constant vigilance and attention to detail are, without a doubt, your child's best line of defense in the digital world. And finally, always step in and investigate whenever you feel even slightly uneasy about something you see or hear. Making a privacy request is easier than you think. Start by finding the privacy policy on the website or app. Look for a contact email, usually privacy@company.com. In your message, state you're the parent of a minor and include your child's account info. Clearly request a copy or deletion of your child's data. Be polite but firm. Keep records of all communication and responses. If you don't get a response, you can file a complaint with the FTC or Department of Education. These agencies are there to help enforce your rights. Knowing you have backup makes it easier to take action. You're not alone. Support is available. Protecting kids' data isn't just a parent's job. Schools and companies have a duty too. Schools must vet apps and be transparent about what's used and why. Companies must build privacy in from the start, collecting only what's necessary and using clear language. Both should make it easy for parents to review and delete data. Secrecy and confusing policies have no place in children's tech. Parents, schools, and companies form a triangle of trust. When everyone does their part, kids can enjoy technology safely. Ask questions, stay informed, and expect transparency. Together, we can create a digital world where kids learn and play safely. Their privacy is everyone's responsibility. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss our next awesome adventure. See you in the next video.